If your vehicle has a salvage or rebuilt salvage title, the process to make it road legal again is very detailed. This video is going to walk you through every step so you can plan your time and paperwork correctly and finish as quickly as possible. Your first stop is to the tag office. This is required before you go to inspection. When a vehicle is salvaged, the existing license plate is no longer valid. At the tag office, we will first help convert the title to salvage, and then we'll issue you a one-day permit so the vehicle can legally be transported for inspection. Your next step will be the Kansas Highway Patrol Inspection Station in Keachai. Inspections are by appointment only. We will schedule it on your behalf while you're still at the tag office. Many vehicles must be trailered or towed to the inspection site if they're not road ready. This is normal for rebuilt vehicles. You must take 2 documents to the inspection: the vehicle's original title that is already in your name or assigned to you, plus an assigned affidavit or a bill of sale if the trailer weighs less than 2,000 pounds or the vehicle is an antique. That's 35 to 59 years old without a title. If you do not have the correct paperwork, the inspection cannot be completed. Once the vehicle passes inspection, you must return to the tag office to complete your rebuilt title and pay the inspection fee. $20 for salvage or $25 for rebuilt salvage. We will then finalize your paperwork. Remember, this is not a one-stop visit. For most customers, the process will take at least half a day or more, so please plan to come early. I really appreciate you taking the time to prepare ahead. By following these steps in the correct order, you will save time. Thanks again for working with us to get you back on the road safely and legally.